Justin Mason. I'm one of your Destination Kent State Flash Guides this summer, and welcome to the FLASH60 video series. Our goal is to take 1 minute or less of your time to introduce you to resources and offices across campus, as well as give you some tips and tricks along the way. The content within this video series is meant solely to aid in your transition to Kent State University by making it as smooth as possible. Myself, as well as my fellow Flash Guide friends and other leaders across campus, will be guiding you through our video series. So, take a minute, watch some of these videos. If you like them, be sure to subscribe and share, and give us a follow on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Oh, also, if you get a chance, make sure you check out our website, www.kent.edu/success, to read more about the resources that we offer here. I'll see you all soon, and go Flashes.